Very windy. It's very windy. Things are falling from the trees. So this here, to let you all know, is a wild blueberry bush. And so therefore, that would be food for any animal. And it's going to have bloom in about February. So that's interesting to know. That is a wild blueberry bush right here. This is a fetter bush, F-E-T-T-E-R, and they're edible. They'll be blooming. When they bloom, the deer and the animals will eat that as well. So this is lots of food around this area for wildlife and possibly even Bigfoot.
It's everywhere.
It's everywhere, so there's plenty to eat.